Hey, this is Code Quintet, a coding ensemble agent that generates 5 different solutions to a problem, executes them in a Daytona sandbox, and helps you choose the best one. LLMs usually give one answer, but what if you wanted the fastest answer, or the most readable, or the most memory efficient? Code Quintet lets you choose. So let's run a human eval problem with Code Quintet. To start our system, we'll just run python 3 main.py. So it's going to ask us to select an LLM model. Under the hood, I'm using Martian API. This is a registry that allows us to access over 300 different models and very fast. For this example, I only chose 4 of my favorites. Let's say for this demo, I wanted to save money. So let's just choose OpenAI GPT-4.1-mini. So under the hood, it's going to connect all the models and get everything ready for us. Next, it's going to ask us which problem do we want to run from this data set, which type of coding problem do we want to solve. Let's just keep it simple and start with the first one, human eval 0. Behind the scenes, Code Quintet generates 5 variants of the solution with different styles: baseline, performance, memory efficient, no external libraries, and super readable. And before I even finish that sentence, the code already ran and generated in all sandboxes. This really shows you the power of modern tools like Daytona, Martian, and the power of Code Quintet when it combines them all together to give you extremely fast results. Let's review. So it chose our coding problem, and then it started the orchestration where it generated an LLM response, extracted it, ran it in the sandbox, and ran against the test suite. We can see that all of them passed, and let's look at our results. Here we have the different variants: baseline, no external libraries, memory efficient, performance optimized, super readable. It looks like the fastest one was performance optimized, with coming in at 485 milliseconds. Let's take a look. This allows you to view the code and see what it actually ran. Let's say we want to run another problem. Let's just spice it up and go random. Here we are. It's going to generate the sandboxes, run the code, and do everything for us. This time, it was the baseline with a runtime of 119.4 milliseconds. Let's check out the code. This one was a match per rens problem. There we go. That looks pretty sweet. Let's say we're done with our evaluation. But let's say you want to go back and see the results from all the types of LLM responses. Code Quintet handles that for you. You can enter the results directory and look at your different runs and access each of the different folder with all corresponding logs as payload, prompt, response, result.json, and solution.py file. My long-term vision is to eventually integrate this and integrate Code Quintet into Cursor, VS Code, and your other favorite IDEs so developers can instantly preview multiple solutions as they type. I really am a fan of human-in-the-loop feedback with these agents. That way I am in charge and I get to see which models produce the best and which code will match my existing code base. And that is Code Quintet, an ensemble-based coding agent powered by Daytona sandboxes and human eval evaluations. And this gives developers not one answer, but 5 optimized options. Thank you.